this, beyond all of this, is that God shows you that He had a plan for you before you were formed in your mother's womb. He had that plan in place already. In other words, you're not here by accident. Look at the person next to you. You're here by design. Tell them. Logesh? You're here by design. Peter, you're here by design. You know it more than most people that you are here with Jenny. Jenny, isn't it amazing that God saves his life? Because nothing can get him down because God has got him. And I love this about God, that He's got us. He's got you. He's got you in His hands. And I want to explain something about real love to you. The world cannot define love. We in our infinite minds cannot really bring real love to anybody. In the flesh, it's impossible to love someone with real love. Listen to this. This is real love. Verse 10 explains it to us. Not that we loved God, but that He loved us and sent His Son as a sacrifice to take away our sins.